Hey guys, it's me CoolManJoe720 and today I will be making my very first mail time from Rig by Gal. Ooh, thank you. Gabrielle Boy 33. Ooh, cool. Thank you. Fire Girl 13,000. Oh, thank you. Max Slam. Oh, thank you. Right back to Max Slam. Ooh, a Lee. Favorite day. That's a pretty cool look. Oh, thank you. Oh, awesome. Thank you, favorite day. Oh, you're so awesome. Oh, thank you. This is my last present, I think. Is it? Nope. Oh my god! A rare bow and arrow! Oh my god! A rare bow and arrow! Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you! Ah! You're so cool! Thank you! Oh my god! A rare bow and arrow! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Thank you! Thank you, favorite day. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god! My first mail time, and guess what I get? A rare bow and arrow! Ah! And I also get elf armor tail, rare fox hat, match angel wings. Ah, this is so cool. Thank you. Whew. Oh my god. And I also got that. I wanted one of those. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and bye.